Hi, today I'm XIAOMI Poco C65 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first we should open this settings application and then tap to the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see media, ringtone and alarm volume panels. To change their volumes we should slide to the left or to the right side these panels with your finger. Here we got call, ringtone, calendar sounds, notification and other reminder sounds. We could just change them. Here we could see the sound assistance. We could adjust media sound in multiple apps and to change multiple audio sources settings. And also we could activate and turn off the control notification sounds, to activate and turn off the silent mode, to silence media in silent mode, to activate and turn off the don't disturb mode when device is locked, to notify about the calls, notify about repeated calls, and to set a schedule. In here also we got the vibration settings. We got here vibration for calls, vibration in silent mode and vibration on top. And on sound effects we got here sound effects section, the equalizer settings we could change them, and also the headphone remote button settings and SIG buttons. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Poco device. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.